everybody. Good afternoon to everyone. Actually, the reason for coming live on Facebook is something really different. Actually, this afternoon I received something from a courier service, and guess this. Everyone knows it, right? Tips Industries Limited. So this is also, I don't know how to express. This is a courier. This is a courier from Tips Industries Limited to Parmitarian. Okay, isn't it strange? Tips na roige to no nukhana jeng chai woman khana jeng especially cassette rogo do I guess I get try through cassette rogo logo the logo no or logo and the chai man khana omo kaisa Bollywood ni kaisa yagra de hinjiri yakshi de hinjine I am tino so wishing I'm too excited. I said tips ni an your Korean sub it's like a totally dream for me. Never thought I'll receive such a beautiful gift from anyone from anywhere. And I don't know. Let's see. I'm taking too much time. Okay, here is something written blank. I don't know what's. We'll go to the main thing. So okay, here it's an agreement paper. Isn't it strange for me? It's really a big dream for me. Is it strange? So it's an agreement paper or jagatam shika. This agreement is made this 18th day of April 2019 by and between me and Tips Industries Limited. So aro ang porilia tamba ang oko soft copy pori pajak ay gino. Ani email pori paika ay gino. So I'm sit chalia. Tangi borok o agreement paper roho ka ang sawa no. Actually no kana ani cover song selfie je release mani last year from the movie Race 3 Salman Khan movie yeah. Aro jago bang kaisa cover song rajab ka goodbye baby selfish okay. Our movie selfish video aro tamon ka I don't know cover video to joto no khairo I don't know borok tamon nugi ano saga saimalia borok ano mail khairo like borok by kaisa agreement khlaina bage I mean if I want I can work with them the same song again man tesha haino hai ada job no borok by boroni studio thangi borok by samung khlaina bage the same song I have to sing cobra chat okay yeah cobra chat nai okay tamon kha borok ano email lo acha rohman actually ang email bo check lai check yam I mean Facebook rồi ko ma tong hongke suddenly and I email actually February ni email check okay one day any friend monojit but ani korok na yo he also like a partner ang hai no okay as a very close friend of mine bo ani email log check khai tamo mane boi korok tamo koro ar jaga ni ani airdrop tam ro kawang ma ara jaga ni bishingi samung no bok khlayo ang asuk time bo maya and moreover so technically ang asuk sai bo maya so boss halcha ani email check khlaiga ja ano sumoga hai ini email check dikhai nei kan dini what I nini mala nai nai di kroksa borok no mail khajak ni si a jaga sujak de jeng actually jeng kabang ma artist no amte hai rutu go basically chini tips ni je production or zap nai rong no hangai hai jeng no rong ni we really I mean nini rza mong no khorang go jaja khai ge if you really want you can work with us ati hai okay speak loud, a little bit loud okay actually tam sa shede ang sala shede li ya hika ang dollar sin tongo tan ba suddenly tips ni borok am tike buino personally message ok khlai gala hine then ang saka I took very lightly after no monojin no samani and tapok de monojin borok tv ni founder hine and bonus haga like je handle khaiman ni no khlai sidi I don't know am to nang shishu ya kon ya je chalai na tongmani genuine person ke ba chalai di ko dollar phanongi ma no I know because tips ni am tike rohoi tongmani it's not a joke abo ke bono monojin no je chalai na tong chalai ka abari ya golo ano email rog roh ka agreement paper rog ya no roh ka ke ani details robo san ka so actually one chok mai ya chikon cover video robo am sike no lama phun gi ma nai hine one chok gi man ya actually recently no khna like I'm sorry ang gospel video kaisa release khlai mani and your hard work pays off like mane asak din ang sa kabang ma asak hard work khlai ka thuya ke pa samuk khlai mani sal tonga but am sakhe ani imang rok suddenly easily gong nai hiri one to get na Mwkthang maybe chikon makon project phano ngi ma no I don't care but aro jaga ni am chu kotor khai no agreement paper ro hoi tong nang bai sam khlai na bagai sai tong like bele ke hambai joto no and kaitor ni bagai no am ti ngo because nang 저도 차가 동네 무다이시노 저도 디셋 클라요 능 kun phano just hard work khlai di go khlai di ning bukha ko bui bai khlaiyang ke abo ni imang Mwkthang ri maya aba ke no ang bo hai no same thing am se kedeng mang kha asik o lama almost like 12 to 13 years ngai tong kha thuya chaya ke samung khlai mani din tong kha and I still remember that jeng je ko gospel video lobby ro chabo je last time jeng release khlai mani Sunday o monsoon ar ro chabo jeng thang pro je ni ba ko mic ri monsoon was jeng mai phung a siren thalai mani mai bu cha lai ja kya atikhe no jeng ro chabo phale ga sapung like sari go after work see after jeni samung ro pai ya ko ne jeng mai ro cha lai ja go abo no like jeng salai dong ani asike leng lai jak asike bohogo maikri das kind of thangi bisram gonso thangi ya ko ne samung khlai lekha sa hachal scooty ro bai thangi ya ko ne sadung kotor ma wati ro bu wa jak ro amte herok kha ya abo no neng if neng bere ke dedicated neng kha ke nen samung go Kaitor nai klayo hai si koke chikon ma kon phana nge man khana but this is really a big gift from a God to me and bini bagai tangsha lobby ro chabai am sike kotor gift mana hini ang ani life one chogi maya and thank you everyone te joto ani ta khum khuro ano khakjang nai ro ano ham yo dai ro no most okay ani khakjang matre hamyam ya phai jao ani ke nong ni ashirwad nong je nong ano ani bo ye bajumo apa iso ni thia aboni ba no tiang asaktor khe chakani reclaim thank you so much and tabuk angsi decide clearly whether I want to work with them or not, because this is just an agreement paper from a Tips Industries Limited, and the thing whatever is written here is like I have to go there and sing the same song, the Selfish song again. So I don't know whether I'll be able to go everything. I just leave everything to God. Je kai to klai abo nong nai future ro. And not only hamjak mong, not only support table ro hodi. I'm so thankful. This happened just because of your blessing, just because of your prayer supports, and nothing is impossible without your prayers, without your support. So this is really too much for me, and thank you everyone. Keep praying and keep supporting me. So thank you everyone for watching too. It's 66. Oh my god, thank you so much. And I don't know, but I hope I'll do my best. Thank you. Love you all.